anyway, mamamatay man tao. Mamamatay man talaga tayo. Punta tayo doon. Make this, we can never win a war against China. Kaya yan ang problema natin. I hope that China would not overdo things also. Because there is always America pushing us, egging us, tinitikoy tayo para, sige, ginagawa akong bake. Anong tingin ninyo sa Pilipino wati? Ngayon, sabi ko, dalhin mo yung lahat ng eroplano mo, barko mo dito sa China. Fire the first shot at nandito kami sa likod. Sige, laban tayo kung sinong mupulbog. Totoo, Amerika, sabi nila, USRP Pact, okay. Let America declare the war. Let them assemble all their armaments there in South China Sea. Fire the first shot and I'll be glad to do the next. May RP-US Pact maka tayo. Let us honor it. The human trouble, okay, let's do it. May panahon man talaga na mamatay yung tao. But then, what will happen to the America, and what will happen to the Philippines and Asia, I really do not know. There's geopolitics laro ng ano dito. Pero hindi ako gago. Mabutit at alam ninyo na hanggang wala, mahirap tayo Siguro kung ako ang na-presidente, bigyan ako ng 20 years. Itong Pilipinas, kada barangay may 5 cruise missiles, pati kanyon. Totoo. Then I would have really massacred all would stood. Kalaban, hindi mo madala You surrender, tapos babalik ka. Kaya kung ako,